Squaring of number using formula method. So there are various formulas to find the squaring of the particular number. So let us see one by one. Just only two or three I'll show here, not more. First one, a plus b whole square we can use, or a minus b whole square. This is one set. These two together is only single set. This is one method. Let us follow first. A plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square, and this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let us see this rule, how to apply the squaring of the number. For example, if any number which I not find out the square, which is very close to the power of 10, use this formula method, it will be easy. Power of 10 means if any number is close to the 100,000, 10,000, so on, you can use the squaring of the number using formula method. It will be so easy to do it. Let us take one example. The question is, what is 1009 square? 1009 multiply with 1009. This we can write one of the format, like first one, a plus b whole square. So 1009 I am writing just 1000 plus 9 whole square. Generally 1009 should be multiplied with 1009. So with 9001, 4 times you have to multiply and adding all 5 steps. If you remember this, just in 2 steps you can finish this. Squaring of 10, or square of 100, square of 1000, square of 10,000, those are very simple. Just only double the digits, zeros, right? If it is a 10 square, after 1, 2 zeros you can keep because of 1. 100 square, after 1, 4 zeros. It is 2 now, double. So it's 10,000. Same way, 1000 means after 1, 6 zeros you have to keep. That method you remember, you can solve this. A plus b whole square format. So it is 1000 square plus 2 into this first number into second number. 1000 into any number, that made thousands, right? So 2 into 9, 18. Okay, for make it clearly, I write the step by step with the bracket. So 2 into again 1000 into 9 plus 9 square, b square, no, second number square, 9 square. Generally when you are doing order of this many steps, only for practicing you can use. 1000 square, after 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 2 into 1000 into 9. 2 into 9 is 18 into 1000, no, 18,000 plus 9 square is 81. By observing this, just you can add this. So you'll get the final answer. When you come to this, 10 lakhs plus 18,000 plus 81. So 10 lakhs 18,000 81 is the answer. 1018081. Simple, right? Even just only formula remember and values you can substitute in this. No need of taking very lengthy also. Let us take one more example. Instead of this is more than 1000, more than power of 10. If you take less number, let's take 995 square value, how to find out. So for this is a 1000 minus, so second formula will apply. This is very close to the 1000, no? So 1000 minus 5 square. Just imagine which is close to either adding or subtracting, just to write the steps in directly. Now square, 1000 square, no, just after 1, 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again minus 2ab it is. So minus 2 into 1000 into 5, calculate in mind. 2 into 5 is 10, again into 1000. So after again 4 zeros, right? Plus second number square. So 5 square is 25. Simple. From this number you can subtract this. If you keep the commas, you can directly do. Not of taking lengthy. 10 lakhs minus 10,000. 10 lakhs minus 10,000 is just 99, no, or 9 lakhs 90,000. From the 25 you have to add. So 990025. 9 lakhs 90,000 by adding 25, 9 lakhs 90,000 25. If any only just number is very close to the power of 10, like even not only 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, just by adding, subtracting, if you get some reasonable number, you can use this method. Okay, this is the method 1. Same squaring of the numbers. See one more method. Method 2, let us see here. If you want to find out particular number square, right? If you want, a is a number. If you want to find out a square, we can write this is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So you can add one more b square. This you can remember. A square is equal to a plus b into a minus b plus b square. Okay. So based on this, let us take one example. For example, if you want only this previous formulas is very close to the power of 10, like close to 100,000, 10,000, you can use this. Okay, if you want this number, now for example, 72 square value, you have to find out. Now A is 72, we have to take some B value in this. Very small number you can take, 72 square. In the place of B, 72 plus 2, again 72 minus 2. Which is extra, 2 is extra, no, apart from 70. That number you can add and subtract, plus 2 square, because I took 2 as the B. In calculate in mind and simplify, 72 plus 2 is just 74, 72 minus 2 is 70. This is one set, 2 square is 4. This calculation is simple, 74 into only 7. So 0 is asked, just only multiply. Or else still if you want more simplification, 74 can imagine as 70 plus 4. Take 70 into 70 plus 4 into 70. That way also. To make this if unable to multiply in mind this total, you just write like this. 70 plus 4. So 70 into this 70 plus again 4 into 70. One set. I am splitting and writing. Plus 4. To do calculation simple. So 7 sevens are 49. So 4900 plus 4 sevens are only single digit multiplication if you want to make it. 7 fours are 28, 280. Again adding 4. 4900 plus 280 plus 4. So 5184. Just I'm showing here even this formula also we can apply when you are using this formula method. This only concept is a square is a plus b into a minus b plus b square. Few examples you can take and practice, will be easy. Let us take just only one more example and show. If you want to find out 53 square, actually that crisscross method is simple, but if you want to apply the formula, 53 now, 53 plus 3, 53 minus 3 and plus 3 square. So just I'll make it like this, 56 into this only 50, one set, plus 9. 0 let it be asked is only with 5 you multiply 56. So 5 6 are 30, 3 carry now, 5 5 is 25, 28 plus 9. So 2809. So this is one of the way using the two formulas, which is easy that you can follow. Not of particular method only in this query. While doing practicing, according to the number which is easy to do calculation fast, those we have to use in this Vedic tricks.